cities out of town or whatever, we don't give a fuck. The deal is done. Now the cake been baked. They need to come on with the drama, whatever they gonna do. Other than that, fuck them. We ball.
You know it's Lil Bo on the beat.
Hello everyone. That sounds like Miss Rachel, don't it? Yeah.
I don't know who that is.
What's today? What's today?
Wednesday.
Vacation day.
Come give me some of your love. Come give me some of your love. I got going through my system and I'm trying to get.
Y'all, we're late of course, but we are going out of town to Ride's fixing my hair. Okay, that brush, I can't do that. I cannot do that. Did you get your stuff? Big mama, big mama, big. She looks cute. I have on a shirt, some leggings, and my Kappa slides. See y'all when we get to my grandma's house. I'm packed up. You guys say hello.
Hello.
Y'all, we're at my grandma's house right now. We already ate and stuff. I didn't want to take y'all in there because I already knew they was going to be talking. Like, that's all they do. Talk, coffee. We're here at the house and it's super nice, y'all. Look. We're finally here after 7 freaking hours. But these rooms are super nice. Like, what? The pool is tea. We definitely need to take pictures. It's a lot of room. You got a grill. Oh yes. That's cute. Come on, go back out. Y'all not supposed to come in yet. Oh wait, they go in the basket. So we gonna make baskets.
Sexy black motherfucker. Name on the wood, I'm watching Jimmy Butler.
So y'all, I'm out of town with them and I'm gonna be at their house all the time. Cause why not?
I'm gonna go ahead and get my stuff because I already know, we already know where our room is.
Yeah, I like our room. Our room is cool.
But I told you they were gonna be kitty because we're
The
by.
bed's a good size, better than the bed across from us. You seen that one?
Oh no.
I like how our bed is like.
Is this my suitcase? No.
I'm excited. We're probably gonna end up going to Walmart and getting groceries and stuff. So I'm gonna get back to y'all when we get there.
Oh shit. Alright y'all, we just left the Walmart. My dad and my uncle still in there. But we got our buggy full of stuff. And we is walking out like baddies. Just spent a cool hundo in there. First compliment on my hair. She was like, I like your.
Somebody said that to me. Did you hear it? She's like, I like your brand. I'm like, thank you so much.
I said the same thing. Anyways, I was driving because I am the biggest whipper. You need to watch out before it hits you. Look at you. We finna put this stuff in the car. Then we're gonna get in the car and play that hot shit. What's up? We had stopped at the gas station. We on the way. Alright. Good morning, y'all. So it's the next day. I got on this bathing suit with the bottoms. Ooh, it looks like I don't have on anything. I was moving on my own because it's hard to trust. I told you real love. You ain't have to stab me in my back. It was only us. But yeah, so hopefully I'll see y'all when we're there doing something. Yeah, we made it. We got on our life jackets. Y'all, it's actually really nice.
Where my
kind of fun to be in these people pictures.
We might end up doing a jet ski, but it's super nice. It's supposed to be a wedding happening.
Y'all, we is on this thing. I'm using y'all like a GoPro. We ain't moving. Hold on.
Splash bath. Listen, you got.
He said we could go around the whole lake.
Yeah.
We just can't go in the. It's a circle of them things where they. I'm on the. I don't show her. Yeah, it's creeping though. We went around. They suck. Oh, I got a wedgie. We
So y'all, we was back at the house. We didn't end up doing the freaking jet skis because I guess we're supposed to be going. My dad sent me some go-kart place that we can go to, so we can do that.
Okay, I'm gonna do her makeup.
Yeah, that's why I'm sitting here like this, cause I'm finna take some cute pictures. I gotta do it while it's still. Oh, here we go. There you go.
What go first? You won't tell me.
A primer.
You just did that.
I know, but you gotta put more primer. Okay, now my cheeks. I like this. Let me see. Let me see.
Quit.
Let me see.
Let me do it.
No, let me. Okay, for real. Just let me clean it up. You doing the main part. Just let me. Oh. Okay then. Nah. You left. Y'all, she done left her client. I'm gonna get back to y'all when I'm done though. And we taking pictures. Alright, y'all. The makeup is done. Cute little. I'm gonna take me some pictures outside. Probably just, I don't even know. Yeah, we did a quick little beat, so I'm gonna take some out here and then I'm gonna take some by the pool and then we're going to the outlet. Y'all, so I'm taking pictures in my little bathing suit. They came out super cute, but we finna get ready to go to the outlet.
Go to that baby. Can you help me?
Yeah. Yeah. Y'all, the pool is super cute. Bathing suit is tea, like. We're finna get these pictures and they finna be super cute. If you made it this far in the video and you have not subscribed, commented, or liked the video, like, what are you doing? Go do that right now. We'll wait.
In the driveway and the sidewalk. So,
Yeah, we on the way to the outlet.
I'm still slow.
Lord.
You doing it?
did you show your outfit?
Oh no. Well, I think so. In the mirror. It's okay, guys. I just have on this red outfit with my Adidas. They not Sambas, they just Adidas. So yeah, you got that misconstrued. Look at this bad little boy. Lord. It's really big, actually. I just want some Nike Pro shorts.
Yeah, I'm gonna give me a
Nike really don't have clothes. They didn't have nothing in that freaking Nike store. Well, we really ain't look all the way, but they ain't have no Nike Pro shorts. So we on the way to TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx. Give me a small buggy. Let me not ride behind her, because I hit her with the buggy last time. We was at Walmart. Always come to the little cosmetics first. I wanted to go up in here. They got these cute little, where are they at? Cute little things I could put on my desk. These would be super cute. This is really cute, y'all. But I was looking at this. Oh, it's a compact mirror. I want this one. This is cute. It's like a little mirror. $10 for this? Are we serious right now? Taraya. Girl, look at this. It's super cute. It's a mirror, but this shit is $10. Yeah, for that. Do they have pimple patches? They do have them. We finna find some more stuff and I'm gonna give y'all a haul of everything that we get. It's good. I found a dress though. It's cute. Oh wait, that's the back. It's simple. Oh my gosh. This line is OD long.
So yeah, basically in these fast clips, we went to this Korean place, I think it was. We tried these donuts. I think we had got cookies and cream and a strawberry cheesecake or funnel cake. I can't remember. But we tried them. Tara didn't really like it for real, but it was pretty good to me. I was taking pictures and stuff like that, and then I tried it. It was pretty good. I mean, it was okay. Yeah, and then we had went to the Diesel store when we went to another outlet, like a real outlet. I was trying on this shirt and it would not fit because it was in kid sizes the whole time. So yeah.
Y'all, I really hope all of them clips that I just filmed was not in S&Q mode. I really pray. But we in Sephora right now. My camera's about to die. We're gonna get some Chipotle and then we're gonna go to the house. And that's pretty much gonna be it. So I'm gonna see how we get back to the house. Today is beach day. Hey y'all, so I'm ready. Y'all, I forgot my deodorant, so I have to come in here and use my grandma damn spray. I'm gonna show y'all my bathing suit when we get there, but it's super cute. I'll show them your cute outfit. Yeah. But yeah, we finna be on the way. I'm gonna take some pictures though. See y'all when I get in the car. Y'all, I look real good, real good. Are you gonna get in the water? We outside. See how I want to get to the beach.
I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was done out like last week. Tell me where have you been? Yeah, came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. I'm just a fan.
Oh, we made it to the beach. We're gonna see what it is to do. I love the beach. I just don't like getting sand all over me. We're gonna play volleyball. We're gonna play volleyball. Volleyball! Tell them folks what we eat tonight. I'm too excited.
It's salmon and steak. Steak and salmon.
Hold on, wait. I done eat at Sherman Steak one hung out late with a good day. Let's go Saturday.
Wait, we supposed to do that?
Hey, you know when the first go Saturday pay, stay out the way. I know a nigga not shit out of park, so like the bird, that's a home run. Anyways, y'all, who's in the good water? Let me tell you get down. Oh. Ride the wave, cause she is the wave. Body is giving tea. Alright, we finna go play volleyball.
Oh.
What's that up?
4, 3. We got uncle over here and mama over here. Okay, okay. 5, 1.
Y'all, my camera finna die. We just took super cute pictures. Oh, it's super nice. We finna go. We've been here for 3 hours. Right, nothing happened, y'all. We back at the house though. It's 10:19. It took us like an hour and some change to get here. But we is in the pool. It's a be a jacuzzi, but it's not getting hot, and they talking about $45 a day. So, I don't know, we supposed to I don't see her. I just wake up every time. Every time I wake up, I come on here looking a mess, and then boom, back to the baddest. But we finna go-kart racing. I'm finna get ready. Y'all, the rooms are so kitty. Like, why do we have the whole clubhouse in our room? I'm sleeping good on my bed. Oh, I look a mess. I'm gonna get back to y'all when I'm done getting ready and we about to leave. Alright, y'all. We got ready. Finna go. Why you just sitting there?
I'm trying to see what you doing.
No.
What is it called? Not my own word.
Soldier boy, no Draco.
We made it.
Hi guys.
It wasn't even that far away from the house. Now Stevie in the streets, he ready to make the trot rock. What you think you stand for? G-Rod, hopping out this morning. It's alligators. Oh no, you jump in there.
It's right wrist here.
You have a wristband?
You cannot get in.
Nah, they done got bags to feed these gators.
Hard pieces of business. Alright, that one got. Whoever invented this is stupid.
It's not even over here.
You gotta key this, man. Don't let him. Yeah. Oh, you just, man. That's just
Y'all, that was super fun. I'm trying to figure out where they at. Oh my God, it's stuff all on my face. What in the world? What in the world? That is so nasty. Here, is this stuff all on your face too?
He told me I was done, so I had to stop, and then he was like, I had one more.
Yeah. We at the mall, but it's so hot. Like, I can't even breathe. I can't even feel my breath. Bro, clumsy. They got a whole store for American Girl doll. Yeah, these folks just be looking. I'm like, do we look interesting? My head itch. I'm not even gonna lie. I keep oiling my scalp. My head itches. I'm not gonna show y'all what I'm getting though, because y'all gotta wait till the back to school clothing haul. I don't even know what mall we at to even like show y'all. They got a Sears. Do you know how old Sears is? We're back at the house. We actually been back at the house, but it's 6:18 right now, and we finna get ready to go to our little dinner. But y'all, I was asleep. I'm tired from doing them go-karts. I'm ready. I think it's too short. Like, look. I can't see. Oh, she looks really cute. I could put this in. We're ready, but it's raining, so. Oh my goodness! What? Y'all look cute. Oh, it's raining so bad, like.
These folks got trash. Mom.
Are you?
Sanai.
She already like, see, that's why.
No, it's 7
Cause it lose
away.
sense of time.
Finally, the sun is coming out a little bit. It's actually pretty nice. Oh my god. These people is interesting looking.
So you just join us, welcome to the Sunset Walk. For all of my content readers.
They got us center stage. This was not planned. Y'all, we back at the house now. Ooh, it's so blurry. We tried to take a picture, but it didn't quite work out. Your birthday
in 1 hour, 20
40 minutes.
37 seconds.
It's movie night.
Everywhere.
We leave today. We're gonna have breakfast. And then we're gonna get on the road.
Come give me some of your love. Come give me some of your love. I got going through some of my system and I'm trying to get